Hello, my name is Ana Cecilia Salgado Lopez. I am a student in the last semester of Children's Pedagogy at the SECAR Corporation in the Cincelejo, Sucre. In this exercise, I am going to talk about my wishes. My wishes. My first wish to have an excellent state of health because we told in the if we are nothing. My second wish is to be able to have my two children, brothers, mom, and nephews, always by my side. Like the united family that we are. My dear wish is that my children develop both intellectually and personally in an integrated and healthy way so that they be an example in the society which they live. My fourth wish is to win the teaching competition to share my knowledge, skill with the children and to be a reference for them. My fifth wish is to keep my friends, to continue cultivating this of brotherhood and friendship in respect, love and tolerance. Friends are the greatest treasure we can have. I wish that love you and forgiveness be in each of the people around me so that we can build a more equitable and just world. I wish that all people becomes aware of the planet we have, which is not that we have to care for, preserve, and protect to leave future generation and healthy and pleasant environment. Thanks.